Let's welcome Ricky Bobby. How's it going this morning, Ricky?
Pretty good so far. Haven't had to do anything.
All righty.
It's supposed to get easier the second day, but it's definitely harder.
Harder.
Yeah.
All right. So,
I'm still pacing.
you're still what?
Pacing. I'm trying to
I see
my
that.
nerves a little.
I see you. You look nervous. Look like a long-tailed cat in a room full of rocking chairs there.
You're a big rocking chair.
Yeah, all right. Okay, Ricky, let's get started here.
All right.
Let me have your bridle again. And what I want you to do is get your horse to go over them barrels.
Do what?
See them cow-flavored barrels there?
Yeah, I see him.
All right. Yeah. See if you can get your horse to go over them barrels.
Oh boy.
I don't care how you do it, how you try. Just get your horse to go over them barrels.
I told you I was nervous already about this deal.
Well, I'm
All right, buddy.
I don't blame you, actually. If I were you, I'd be even more nervous.
I am.
That's good right there. All right. What the heck are you so nervous about? All right, that's good, that's good, that's good. That's not bad, all right? Now let's see you get him to go over them barrels. Let me see here. Let me have that, bring that chair in here for him. He looks like he could use a little rest here. Here, let's, right about there, so we're gonna put the chair.
Okay.
Come here, Ricky, sit in this chair here. Now get him to go over them barrels. Sit down. Let's see if we can get the horse to do more and you do less.
I knew today was going to be tough.
Yeah, oh yeah, we're just getting started.
I didn't realize we were going to start like
Ricky,
this.
in case you didn't know, what I tell everybody here is I'm not that good a teacher. I'm really not that good a teacher. But I can sure set you up in a situation where you're going to learn a lot in a hurry. I've been doing that for 3.5 decades, so sit down there and
All right.
get to work.
Guide me along.
No.
Are you telling me no or no you're going to guide me?
I'm not going to guide you. Go on.
right.
I'm going to set you up in a
I'm
situation.
just going to guess.
Good guess. Good.
Ooh. Sorry, buddy. He doesn't know what the hell he's doing, and I don't either. Go!
Come on, you got to keep going. Sit down. Keep going. Keep working at it. Wait. Easy there. Keep working at it. We got more to do here. Okay, everybody, there we go. Keep going. Keep going here. There you go. Kind of keep it working. I can hear them rollers are working. That's easy. What are we going to do here? Wait. Why don't you wait for a second? Now do something. Keep doing something. Working at it. Now kind of quit right about there. Kind of quit. Wait. Now do something. A little more. A lot more. Now leave him alone. Right about there. Wait. Now you see horses have got bilateral vision, and they don't oftentimes do this easy. Slow down. Keep going. Wait. Just, yeah. Now push him around that other way there. Let's push him around. Let's see what we can do here. Now, do you feel how sometimes that string is touching him way on the tail? Turn your stick over. Try something. Just turn your stick over. Now tap him on the neck with the black part. On the neck. And get rid of that part of the horse first. No. Where are you going?
Well,
No, you were perfect. Just start tapping that part. Get rid of that part of the horse first. Keep tapping. Come on, keep doing it. Every time a little firmer, a little faster, faster, until he starts to try. Keep working. Keep that. Stop. Now do it again. So you got to get rid of, there we go, and then stop. Now change hands maybe. Maybe give him some direction with that rope a little bit. There. Sit down. Now start. Now you can turn your stick over and use that other part, maybe. And maybe, yeah, there, hold on to the string. You had it for a second. Hold on to the string a little bit. That'll help because then the string is kind of telling his rump to get away from you, and then that means his nose is coming to you. So it looks to me like his nose, the front end needs to go over here some. Head toward the target. Prepare to a position to make a transition. So we're trying to
head that way.
Yeah, push. That's it. Stay there. Keep working. Keep working. Keep working. Now use the string. Now you missed it. Did you see where you had that more? Sit down there. Now try the string now, because you're kind of out of your. Now use the string. Now, Ricky. That's it. Now stop. Soften. Get his nose where it belongs. Now what part of him needs to go there? Stop. There you go. These are just dynamics we have to understand. And if you don't understand that, you're going to keep gigging him, and he's, or some other horse, going to keep doing the same thing. So what we're going to do today is kind of get this understanding of when to use steady pressure and when to use rhythmic pressure. Okay? I might use rhythmic pressure to get them feet moving a little bit backwards or something, but most of the time, this forward business is right here, steady. Okay? And so there's times that we've got to use, like a guitar. Tonight we'll have a dance here tonight, and we're going to have a lot of fun. You have one hand up here, steady pressure, and the other hand down here is rhythmic pressure. Unless you're Paul McCartney, you do it the other way. You got one hand up here with steady pressure and rhythmic pressure here. Hand up. Now get way out in front of him there. Walk out there in front of him. Just walk out there. Walk along there. See this horse? He sits there and he says, keep walking, don't look back. Just walk. He's got this, he kind of wears that pressure, that halter, and he says, why do I have to be owned by a dope on a rope? All right? Now, wait a minute.
Carlos, help.
No, but we're going to change that. We're in the middle of changing that. So now, we're going to get that sensitivity going. So you already got it under your armpit. Yeah, he's got it there. Put that wrist like that. Put that wrist like that. Now, keep walking and take that stick. When you feel pressure this time, put 3 pieces of rhythm behind you. Ready? Push, step out there faster. And now 3 times. Come on. 1, 2, put at the same time, pull. There. Who saw it? That was the appropriate pressure applied appropriately. Now shorten that rope up just a little bit. And do that. Now step in. The moment you feel a little 3 times softly. Now, 1, 2, go again. 1, 2, there. And whenever what we got to do, Ricky, I got to get you when you feel that. When you feel that, you got to do something about it. Come on, Ricky, listen to them. Listen to them. Come on, you got 900 coaches in here. Listen to them.
I know.
Come on. It's like being married a lot. Go. Come on.
Okay,
come on, get out there. Go a little faster.
Very concentrated.
Feel it. See it. Wait, there. You didn't need to. Did you see that? He didn't need to that time. Because that horse is starting to, he's not wearing that pressure. And that's why some of you got to quit playing the friendly game to death. The horse is already confident with whatever you're doing. Now, here in Colorado, we have a saying, we can shoot a gun off of any horse once. So you gotta find out. Okay, right now, you ready? Can you think of something that your horse is not confident with? You ready? Okay, when I say 3, I want everybody to tell me what it is. 1, 2, 3. The only thing that's important is that you know what it is. And if you've got any place in that horse that there's a lack of confidence, quit working on what he's already confident on and start working on what you know he isn't confident on. And use rhythm, relaxation, and retreat. That's the formula to get that confidence. All right? Does anybody here know a spot on your horse where he's a little dull and he doesn't respond just with respect without fear? You ready? When I say 3, tell me what that is. 1, 2, 3. And it doesn't matter to me. It only matters to you and your horse. You've got to know. You've got to be the one empowered to have the analyzation. Just like Dr. Jenny yesterday gave you this thing. Hey, now, today's the first day of the rest of your life. And it's never too damn late to become the person that you always wanted to be and your horse needs you to be. That's what we're talking about here. Stand up on that chair with that stick. Put your halter down. Stand up on that chair with that stick. Stand up on that chair with that stick. Easy boy. Now let's see you talk old, what's his name? Cedar? Cedar, that's his name?
Oh, yeah, Cedar. Yeah.
And Cedar.
I'm a little flustered.
Yeah. And Cedar was his name. Oh, okay. All right. So let's see you get Cedar to put the stirrup next to you. There you go. Keep it working. Keep it working. Keep it working. Now you put that stick darn near anywhere. No, don't not use the stick. Now you're just not using the stick. Use the stick. Now wait, stop. Can you tell that that's going to make his butt go away from you?
Yes.
Well, how about if you put the stick on this side, reach over the top, and ask his butt to go back the other way. There we go. Easy now. Easy now. Right there. There we go. Now that's good. Now rub on him. Rub on him.
I got to tighten my cinch before we get on here.
Yeah, we'll tighten her up. Tighten it up.
Oh.
Step there. Where are you going?
I was going to get down there.
No. Tighten your cinch up there, Cowboy.
Is there a snake? I hate snakes.
Yeah. Just tighten her up. See, if you're a real cowboy, you try to do the most you can with the least amount of effort and without getting off your horse. That's what real cowboy. Have you ever seen, you guys know what Mexican chopsticks are? I mean, you know the post hole diggers with the... That's why they're so long handles, so cowboys can dig holes from up in the saddle, see? That's why you...
I'm trying to concentrate.
Yeah. Well, speak about Ricky and I, he invited me to, we were in Moab, Utah. Here, yeah, beautiful place. We went four-wheel driving up in the rocks and did all this. And so I called Ricky. I said, Ricky, I'm coming through Cortez, be there about dinner. Can we go somewhere? We'll meet. He says, yeah. So he says, meet me at the Delta. It's kind of the triangle there. And he said, so we had to stop at the grocery store first. And so good, I got to get some stuff too. So we go in there, and I can't find him. He just went in there to get some orange juice or something. And I go in there, and he's got the door open, and he's staring at this little cans of orange juice. And I walked up there, and I said, what are you doing? He says, well, it says concentrate.
I could use some orange juice right now. That's true.
Ricky's sitting going, where's this going now?
I knew that.
I don't know where that stuff comes from. But
I don't either.
Somebody asked me yesterday, who writes your guys' script? I said, well, my grandfather knew the guy that used to write for Abbott and Costello, so. All right, put your stick down. Here, let me have it, because I'll put it somewhere in case you need it a little later.
I hope I don't.
All right, good. I hope I don't. Okay, now, yeah, rein on each side, and when is he in good enough spot you can get on, or do you?
Yeah, I can get on him.
Okay. Or you can get down and move your chair over. Don't you do that.
You're giving me mixed messages.
Yeah. But do you see what I mean here? You see how we could use this stick in different places? Let's see if we can ask him to go up forward just a little bit more. Just a little more forward.
First.
What's it? A little more forward there, Ricky. A little bit more forward. Can you? Okay. Now you see how I'm pounding on him?
Yeah.
And he ain't going nowhere. Now, watch this. Let's work together. Just take 1 ounce on the rein, just one, and lead it lead it forward, just a little bit. Right. Wait, right there. Now, if I touch, feel the difference?
Yes.
You guys see how, see how that happened? When he gave a little of this, and I see a lot of people, the slack is in the rope, and the horse is going, huh? And they're going, you know, right? All right, do it again. Touch just a little bit, and then, and that timing, again, a little more, so he comes along, there, that's enough. Oh, don't pull him. See, did you notice when you pulled his nose, his butt swung?
Yes, I did.
Watch my horse's butt. When I pull the nose, the butt swings. See how the butts come over like that to you? Okay? All right, so how are we going to get him back over there? So, yeah, like, there you go. There you go. No, we don't want to get on that side. We want him over there. Okay. Over there, just lead it a little bit. And there, ooh, easy, there. Whoa, with the right. Now, did you notice that the right rein, you could have done something? You got two hands, and you got a rein in each one. So try this. There's a spot there. You could actually slow him down with this other rein. Now, right there. Ooh, that's it. Hey. You see, this whole thing online is to get people to feel a logic. You can get on anytime you feel like it. Step up there. That's it. And Ricky, did you ever see the movie Judo Kid?
No.
What? Oh, karate, judo, karate. Come on. Did you ever see Karate Kid?
Yeah, I did see that one.
All right, here.
I don't know about Juno.
Come on, guys. Judo, give me a break here. So the old guy, you know, he told the kid, wax on. Yeah. Well, that's kind of what some of this stuff is for. Now, pull on that first rein there a little bit. Tap a little here. There, easy. Now slow it up. Now we need to do it again. Pull on the first one, the left one. So a lot of the stuff that we try to teach people to do online, pull on the first one, and now slow it down with there. Ooh, yeah. Now do you feel that? Now rub on him. Rub. Don't poke him with your finger. Rub. No. Yeah, like that. Softly.
I go a little fast.
You do go a little fast.
Everything.
Okay. Right. Now crawl up in there.
Right, we're going to do this now. All right.
So that's the point of most of these exercises is to share with people. Now step halfway up. Whoa, not there. Wait. Get back here. Put this butt in the saddle and keep that foot down. Put this butt in the saddle. That's over here. There we go. Now, okay. Now put this leg back on the chair. Put that leg back on the chair. And now this time, step up and put that butt in that saddle. Ready?
Yes.
Swing there. Now take this leg and bring it on over. And that right there is the safest way to get on any horse, especially one that's apt to buck when I hit him in the butt with this stick.
I understand. We are friends.
Okay. All right, now pick your reins up nice and soft.
I actually know you wouldn't do that.
Now, easy. Now, we're not going to gig him. Now, can you feel his kind of got a tension there? Look.
Me or him?
Yes. Now, just rub on him here a little bit. Just rub on him for a few minutes. No, don't pat him and don't go so dang quick. just kind of rub on him like, hey, you know, that's just nice and soft. See, when a baby's born, you know, the mama licks him like that.
Right.
So think of it like that, and that's maybe that's the first feeling of assurance and love and confidence that they get, that mother licking that baby off. Okay, so just rub out there, rub on that horse there. Think soft, now like lick, like you're licking it, like mama licking it. That's it.
All right. It's calving season. I'm watching.
You watch it. Right. Mama cow's gonna do the same thing. Now can you kind of drop the reins there a little bit? Now Ricky told me yesterday, Pat, I'm afraid to let him get his head down. I said, well, it's not his head down. That's the problem. It's what's going on the inside. And if he feels ambushed, he's gonna use what he calls a sense of self-preservation.